Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video, and of course this is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to our Qora digital cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies. Do your own personal research to see to understand it better, and of course you should practice and perfect it very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets we'll be checking out, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people started with that, and of course they are enjoying it right now. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, even though the market has not been moving smoothly right from here to this very moment. But right now it's trying to go back on buy trend at the moment. Okay, just where we're seeing it, it's trying to go back on buy trend, but we need it to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still more of a, it's giving us more of a buying opportunity, most especially since it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom, is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out. Crash 1000 started from this support zone, and it started buying, got to this region and range around there for a while, broke out above it till it got to this particular region, and it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right from there. So if it's unable to break out above there, then it should be giving us more of a selling opportunity. Sorry, that should be for crash 1000, more of a selling opportunity. Let's check out boom 500 right away. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. This had been on a downtrend for a very long time, but right now it's going back on buy trend, and of course it's going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Oh my god. Okay, this has actually been on a very long downtrend right from here. You can see the crashes, guys, got to this region, pull back, and of course still crashing to try out this support zone again. If it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on a very strong downtrend, uptrend right from this support zone, and it started from here, from this support zone. You can see it right from here, and it kept on buying and buying and buying. Okay, it is approaching this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will go back on sell trend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, that is when it will start selling. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunity, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.